One of the top reasons why we selected Revenue.io over other solutions was due to the fact that it had consolidated many different platforms that we were utilizing into one solution. And we found that that consolidation helped us streamline training process and ramp time for our internal folks. The results that we've seen since implementing Revenue.io have been tremendous. Our sales team has been in touch with 60 to 70% more prospects. Our customer service teams have noticed a significant uptick in quality and call rating. We've had more insight right away off of call review and call coaching, and we've been able to train our teams, internal customer service teams and sales teams, significantly faster. We think it's really due to Moments, Conversation AI, and the ability for us to coach our team and new hires with the best of the best from our best producers. Since implementing Revenue.io, it's allowed us to hire better, train better, and scale our team in a more efficient manner to better serve our clients.
Revenue.io delivers the most comprehensive suite of conversation intelligence solutions available. Ready to build a team of top performers? Learn more at Revenue.io.